Are you looking to monetize your passion for photography? You don't need expensive gear. Today, we're diving into how you can earn money using just your phone's camera in 2026. Welcome to the world of mobile photography income. Your smartphone is a powerful business tool, capable of capturing professional-grade images that businesses and individuals are willing to pay for. By 2026, smartphone camera technology has blurred the lines between amateur and professional. With high-resolution sensors and advanced AI processing, your phone can produce images perfect for commercial use. We'll cover 4 main avenues for turning your mobile photos into income: selling stock photography, offering prints and products, leveraging social media content, and providing local photography services. First up, one of the easiest ways to start earning passively: selling stock photography. These platforms are always hungry for fresh, relevant, and high-quality mobile content. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and specialized mobile apps are ideal. They prefer authenticity and relevance, so capturing everyday life, objects, and current trends can be highly profitable. To ensure your photos are accepted and purchased, focus on impeccable quality. Use high-resolution settings, master good lighting, natural light is your friend, and submit images with clear, unique subjects that fill commercial gaps. Next, transform your best mobile photos into physical products that your fans and customers will love to buy. Print-on-demand services make selling merchandise easy. Upload your photo, and they handle everything from printing custom posters, mugs, phone cases, and even clothing, directly fulfilling orders for you. To sell these custom products, use platforms like Etsy or set up a simple Shopify store. Market your unique collection through high-quality visuals, captured, of course, with your phone, on social media. Social media isn't just for sharing, it's a massive marketplace. Let's look at how to leverage your mobile photography skills to create paid content. If you build a strong visual portfolio on Instagram or TikTok, brands will pay you to create sponsored content using your phone photography skills. Focus on niches like food, fashion, or travel to attract specific advertisers. If your photos have a distinct, popular look, you can create and sell mobile presets or filters. This allows others to achieve your signature style instantly, providing you with a scalable digital product income stream. Beyond passive income, you can actively earn by offering affordable, quick, local photography services right in your community. Small businesses need quality photos for their websites, menus, and social media, but often can't afford a professional photographer. Offer mini shoots for product photography or quick headshots, all captured with your advanced smartphone. Local gig economy apps are great for finding micro jobs like documenting local events, real estate listings, or quick family portraits. Position yourself as the affordable mobile photography expert in your area. Let's look forward. What does the landscape of mobile photography income look like beyond 2026? Future trends point toward deeper integration of AI in mobile photography, making editing even more efficient. Stay updated on the latest phone features and AI editing apps to maintain a competitive edge. To succeed long-term, consistency is non-negotiable. Keep practicing your mobile photography skills, dedicate time to editing, and actively network to find new opportunities. So whether you're selling stock images or documenting local events, your smartphone is truly your starting point for a profitable photography venture. Remember the top 3 ways to earn. Stock photo sales provide passive income. Custom prints and products offer scalability, and local micro gigs give immediate active income. Stop waiting for the perfect moment or camera. Start shooting and earning with the powerful camera you already have in your pocket today.